Hello everyone, and congratulations on your decision to open an account with FXPRIMUS. On this video, I will show you how to download and install our MT4 desktop platform for Windows. Of course, you can download the preferred platform for your Mac or mobile device. I will illustrate how to place your first trade and in a nutshell describe the different types of orders you can open. Before I take this further though, I would like to read out to you our company's disclaimer. Please note that Forex trading and trading in other leveraged products involves a significant level of risk. It is not suitable for all investors. Trading in financial instruments may result in losses as well as profits, and your losses can be greater than your initial invested capital. Before undertaking any such transactions, you should ensure that you fully understand the risks involved and seek independent advice if necessary. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this webinar or linked to from this webinar are provided as general market commentary and do not constitute investment advice. FXPRIMUS does not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, which may arise directly or indirectly from use or reliance on such information. Okay, for the purposes of ease and consistency, I will open an ECN account, a demo ECN account. The difference between a demo account and a real account is basically that the demo account is one that can be used under trading conditions, but without real money. So if you're new to trading, which you probably are, probably watching this video, I would encourage you to start with a demo. Right? To open a demo account with FXPRIMUS, go onto our homepage, Trading Platforms MT4 Desktop, and click Open Demo Account. Fill out the details required with a valid email address and a valid phone number, and then click Register. Okay, once you click Register, you will receive a login and a password for your MT4 account. Okay, please make sure to save this information so that we can use it later to log into our MT4 desktop. You can also use the web trader if you wish by clicking onto that link, but this video, this webinar, will go through the MT4 desktop platform. So let's just go back. What we'll need to do is download the installer, okay, and click for the executable to install the platform. Click yes. We don't need anything from this page. It automatically opens. So click finish onto here, and you will see the MT4 desktop software opening in the screen in few seconds. Okay. Here we have the selection of servers. Because this is a demo account, we have to select FXPRIMUS Practice and click Next. Click on Existing Account, right, and you can log in with the information we've just saved. The information generated once we actually registered. Click Save Password and Finish. Once you hear this sound, it means that you are connected to the server. Okay. Or the number of different sounds. Okay, so let's see what we have here. MT4 opens actually 4 graph windows or charts as they call, as a default, all of which demonstrate a different currency pair. Okay, the toolbars here at the top are occupied with various symbols and are always situated at the top end of the screen of the window. Okay, the selection of time frames can be connected to a graph, okay, as well. You can actually tap this This is the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, and changes the 30-minute time frame. What this basically means is that you're looking at 30 minutes of data right now. Right now, you're looking at the data of 1 hour. Okay. Most traders have multiple charts open actually and use a different time frame to anticipate the markets. You can open a new chart by going to File, New Chart, and select the desired currency pair you would like to see. Okay, or alternatively, you can do this from the Market Watch. Right-click, Chart window. If you want to change the chart of the currency pair that you're looking at, you can simply drag and drop from the Market Watch to the chart. The Market Watch on the left shows the live prices of the available currency pairs, including their bid and ask price. Okay, the first currency pair, for example here, euro is the first currency pair and it's called the base currency, while the dollar is the second currency, currency basically, yes, and it's called the counter currency. Okay. Before placing an order, which we will see how to do in a minute, make sure to make yourself familiar with what a quote is. For example, the euro USD bid price of €1 is $1.12308, where the ask price is $1.12326. When you are selling or going short, you will be given the bid price, whereas when you buy or going long, you'll be given the ask price. Okay, the difference between the two is called the spread, and this is the type of commission that goes to the broker to handle the transaction. Now you can also right-click here onto the Markets Watch and click onto the Show All option. So that way you can see on your Markets Watch all the available instruments that you can trade. Okay. Please note that if you have a variable account, as we do, this is what we will see. In case you have an ECN account, you will see a dash next to the major pairs. Okay. You will also see those pairs without the dash, but they will be in a grayed out area, which means you cannot trade them. Okay, now let's carry on. Down here we can see the symbols chart, and we also have the tick chart. The tick chart basically demonstrates displays the current market activity of any of the selected currency pairs at a time. For example, Australian dollar, US dollar here. If I select the dollar Canadian, I see this here. Okay, underneath the Market Watch is the Navigator. You can see your account information here, open a new account, log in, or change your password. And also we can see indicators, expert advices, and scripts. These we will see in a different webinar that we will prepare for advanced traders. The terminal at the bottom that shows up comprises of quite a few tabs and shows up your trading activities, your account history, the exposure of your account, and some other useful information. Okay, the trade tab, for example, is the tab where open trades can be seen, and it displays information regarding the symbol, the trade entry price, closing price, and of course your profit and loss. Once you close the trades, then it will be transferred to the account history. Okay, and basically you see all the action that has happened, including all the orders that have been closed. Okay, actually let's just see an example trade here, so you can see it in a working example. So you choose the currency pair that you would like to open a trade for, and you go to new order. Okay, and you can sell or buy. Alternatively, you can select the same dollar from the Market Watch, go right-click and place a new order. Or you can also use the one-click trading, which it's used for instant execution. Okay, so if we buy the dollar Canadian, for the first time we'll have to accept the terms, click OK, right? And then if we buy this, okay, on the trade we get the entry price, the lot size, and the option to buy or sell. We see here that we are down already, and if we close this trade now from here and we'll go to the account history, we can see the trade we just closed and the profit or loss, actually the loss. Now going back up, we can see a range of different drawing tools here, and that are used to support traders market analysis. Okay, so we can see vertical lines, trend lines, channels, Fibonacci levels. You can also modify this by going into customize, selecting what exactly you want to move onto your display, and by simply inserting this will go above the arrows up here. The bottom right corner of the screen indicates your connection status, okay, whether your connection to the servers is enabled. So you can also check which server you are connected to. Depending on the location you are basically and on your account type. Now let's see how we can place some pending orders. Okay, let's follow the normal procedure of opening a new order. Now here, instead of selecting instant execution, we can select pending order. Okay, we have 4 different types of a pending order. Okay, a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, and a sell stop. A buy limit order is a buy order which is placed below the selected price. Okay, a buy stop order is a buy order at a price equal or higher than the selected price. A sell limit order is a sell order at a price equal or higher than the selected price, and a sell stop order is a sell order at a price equal or lower than the selected price. Let's actually see an example. Okay, a buy limit. Let's just place our entry price just a few pips below the current price. Okay, we can see that it's been placed here. So what this essentially means is that when the price touches our entry level, then automatically a buy order will open. Okay, you can modify this level by dragging up and down. Obviously you cannot go above the price. This is a buy limit order. Alternatively, what you can do by double clicking on the line is opening your order, or you can alternatively open it from down here. Go on trade, double click, open your order. Okay, you can modify it. You can place a stop loss a few pips below the price and a take profit level a few pips above the price, and click modify. Now you have a stop loss of $75 and a take profit of $74. You can drag and drop those lines if you are wanting to set a take profit level up here, for example, or a stop loss level down here. Okay, this changes automatically onto your trade. So let's close this trade now. Lastly, what else we can do is see how you can also take partial profits or minimize your losses in order to protect your investment. Okay, so let's open a new trade here. Okay, and what we can do is go into the trade. Okay, change our volume to 0.5 example, which is 50% of our investment. Okay, and what we can do is close that order. So basically what we do here is we close 50% of our trade once a take profit level has been reached, or a stop level has been reached that we're willing to lose. Okay, So by closing this, you still have 50% of your original trade gone into running, and you also have 50% of your original trade closed with a minimized loss. So this will be all for this webinar. This is Stavros Tusios for FXPRIMUS.